Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to my lecturer course HFC 3052 in Power Electronic Device Technology, Sir Muhammad Fauzi bin Anwar and Sir Nur Shahrizan bin Shahri. Before I start my project sheet presentation, I want to introduce about myself. My name is Nurnabilah binti Muhammad Ali from Mechatronic Industry Department, Semester 3A. Now I want to present to you about my project sheet for this assignment. My topic is about DC to DC converter. For this project sheet, I'm using Proteus software to run my circuit simulation for DC to DC converter. Okay, as we know, a DC to DC converter is an electronic circuit or electromechanical device which convert a source of direct current DC from one voltage level to another. Now I open the Proteus software. Okay, yes, okay, sample, folder N, open the power E. Okay, this is my DC to DC converter circuit diagram. For power supply, I using 5 volt, and for ground, I using 0 volt. This is all the component I use for my project sheet. Okay, here I have 5 resistor. R1 I using 3.9 ohm. R2 I using 470 ohm. R3 I using 47K, and for R4 and R5 I using 1K. Then I have transistor here, T1, T2 and T3. T1 and T3 is a NPN transistor, and R2 is PNP transistor. Then I have capacitor here, 3 capacitor. C1 and C3 I using 10 mFarad, and C2 I using 100 nanofarad. And then I have L1 here. This is inductor. I using 330 mH. And then D1 is diode, BAT43, and D2 is Zener diode, 7PD12. And then this I using digital oscilloscope to read the waveform, and I put here a motor load as a output. Okay, this is my circuit diagram, and that's all my component I use for this circuit. Okay, now I run this circuit simulation. Okay, you can see here the motor load as a output, and the digital oscilloscope is to read the waveform. Okay, you can see here we have the channel A, B, C and D. But my project sheet I just use channel A and channel B, so we off the channel C and channel D. This digital oscilloscope I using 2 volt for channel A and channel B. Okay, now I put the channel A and channel B at ground position. So here you can see the waveform is straight line. I put the channel A at DC position. You can look at the waveform. The waveform will be up, and I do the same at the channel B. I put the DC position. You can see the blue line will be up, so the channel will be straight line. Okay, so you can see now this waveform show the output is straight line. Okay, so I stop the simulation. Okay, so the conclusion that I get from this project sheet is we are able to explain power electronic device and special device. Second, we are able to describe basic concept of power semiconductor device operation. And last, we are able to manage and arrange component correctly and properly. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you for lecturer to listening my presentation. Assalamualaikum.